the power has been turned off prior
Excuse
to
me?
ever.
You're telling me now that the heat is off or the
Yes, on
electricity?
December 19th, they completely turned the power off, and I've been living here with no power. The living room area to stay warm.
Who shut off the electricity?
I think the wrong one got turned off, and it was never brought to the attention that it was her specific.
A blind woman had her power shut off in the middle of winter by her landlord. She was sitting in her own home wearing a coat because it was freezing inside. Landlords are not allowed to cut utilities to force someone out. That's called an illegal eviction. Judge Simpson knows this, and when he learns she still has no heat, he steps in right away to fix it. Do you guys think this landlord deserves real punishment, or is this just landlord-tenant drama? Let's watch how this plays out.
I can't see the
Gotcha.
screen, so
Okay, it's okay. The plaintiff's attorney is not here. I guess they're saying he signed in, but hasn't signed back in. You're here. Are you moving to dismiss this case, ma'am?
what does that entirely mean?
That means this case would be over at least.
Does that mean that I would need to be served all over again?
Well, they'd probably have to start over. They'd have to serve you with something.
Okay. Then yes, I would like to dismiss.
Case dismissed.
Thank you
That's
so
without
much.
prejudice. They may come back and they may try to do something, but they'll have to, they'll at least have to try to start this case over and move to set it aside. But you'll get an opportunity
Okay.
to be heard if that happens, okay?
Okay, moving forward, what do I do now?
What do you
Can
mean?
I, do I stay put? Can I tell you about the case or?
No, you can't tell me about it. But yeah, you can stay where
Okay,
you are because I'm not signing. This case is dismissed, so I'm not signing any orders telling you have to do anything.
okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. You have a
Oh,
great
do you
new
have any
year.
advice about, I'm sorry, do you have any advice about how I should move forward?
No,
Oh, about
I can't give you legal advice.
okay, what about the fact that the power has been turned off prior
Excuse
to
me?
ever receiving any paperwork? There
Hold on
is
a
no
second,
power
ma'am.
in this.
Okay, hang on. I may vacate my dismissal on this, but hold on. You, all right. Are you sight impaired, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay, and you're telling me now that the heat is off or the
yes, on
electricity?
December 19th, before ever receiving any warning, they completely turned the power off, and I've been living here with no power since then.
Your goodness. So do you have a lease there? I do see it. Hold
Yes,
on. Okay, your lease expired, it looks like. Are you there by yourself, ma'am, or
I have my best friend that's here that helps me with my vision.
got it?
He's present.
So you've been without electricity for
Just about a
since the
week, and
19th?
yes, and that's actually about 2 months ago. My landlord turned off the power in the back of the house, which was what the room that I was renting out. So I had to move my bed out to the kitchen area because that was where she just cut half of the power. So I had to move into.
Now we're about to see why the landlord shut the power off. This happened in Michigan in December, when the cold is not just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. And remember, this woman is blind. Who does that to someone? The law calls this a constructive eviction, which means it's the same as kicking someone out without going through the legal process. That's a big violation. You can see her bundled in her coat, freezing in her own home. But Judge Simpson isn't letting this slide. He's about to put the landlord in his place.